Okay, guys, I'm having a problem with my sync in my radio in my 2014 Ford Edge. There is no sound in any capacity. I've connected Bluetooth. It doesn't work. I can change the channel. Nothing happens. There's no sound whatsoever. I connect a phone. I can't hear anything. Now, this has happened once before, and after turning the car off, after a week, it just turned back on, right? It just, for no reason. So I'm going to document it right now and see if I can't fix it. This way, if it happens to you, it'll be quite a bit easier. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going just try turning off the car and seeing if that does it. Unplug the key and see if the sound comes back. And it doesn't seem like that did anything. So one other thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do a remote start. Well, as soon as how about this? I'll open the car door. All right, for good measure, I'll go back and start it again to see if that did it. Maybe not having the radio turn off. But you see, still doesn't work. So that. I'm going to redo a remote start. Open the car like I was going to get in and see if that does it. Alright, so it's not going to be a simple fix like that. I'm assuming if I probably disconnect the battery, that would work. But I'm going to try a couple things, and I will report back in just a second. To check the fuse box. So if you see, I'm going to go down here, underneath. I've already popped that little guy off of there, and the fuse box is right here, okay? But this guy, I believe, would be the power to all that. So I disconnected that. There's just a little plastic piece behind it that you can clip. And there you go. See, I've removed it. Then I put it right back and clip it in. It's clipped. And here we are. All right, there you go. Hope that helps.